வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, this is Vellaisamy. Today we are going to discuss about SEO. What is SEO? Why it is so important for your website? That everything we will discuss today. Okay, so now I am entering the Google search result pages. The keyword we can call as this keyword. What is SEO? Okay, what is SEO? When we entering this keyword, we will get lot of uh, information from Google search result pages only. Okay, so now we entering this keyword, we got the result like search engine land.com own website, then mouse.com another one more website, then ahreference.com, this is one website, techtarget.com this website, wikipedia.org, neilpadel.com, like that many websites are appearing, but in Google default is showing 10 result or 9 or 11, like that the results only showing, but I have added it is showing number now, so this number are showing now. So this is I have added plugins. The plugin name is called where it is here, yeah, SERP trends. This is the plugins I have added. Plugin means extension, so if you go to this extension, you can add from here itself. This is the SERP trends SEO extension. This extension, if you are adding now, you will get this kind of information from Google search result pages. This is not work for incognito window, it is working for a standard window only. Okay, so this is what we can learn from small steps. Okay, it will help you enhance your skills and all. That's why I'm going to discuss about these things and all. Now, what is SEO? I know when we are entering this keyword, you will get like entering this keyword. Then see, you will get what is this. So this is all about Google suggested keyword. Google automatically suggested as, so already people are searching in this term. Okay, like what is SEO techniques, what is SEO writing, what is SEO in digital marketing. Okay, digital marketing, I will tell you what is digital marketing. Okay, and what is SEO content writing, what is SEO in YouTube, what is SEO and how does it work, that is also we have to learn. And what is SEO marketing, what is SEO and SEM, what is SEM, search engine marketing, that everything we can learn, like how what is SEO title in WordPress. So WordPress is like a CMS. CMS means nothing but content management system only. So content management system means what? So simply we can track and trap. We can do the build the website in the easiest method. That is called WordPress WordPress website. From that from there you can do all kind of activities simply. That also I will tell you later. Okay. Now what is SEO? I asked. No, so SEO means that is organic. SEO stands for search engine optimization. Okay, search engine optimization. Here you can see what you can see. This is the URL you can see, and this is the title you can see. This is description. So what is title, what is meta description and URL, this everything you can see. And what is this? This is a site link, no? So that how it is appearing, all those things, no? Because when we are, and I'm going to click this website, I click on new tab, it is already opened. Yeah, so here you can see they have written content about what is SEO and search engine Yeah, what is SEO? That is stands for search engine optimization. Here you can see SEO stands for search engine optimization. In simple terms, it means the process of improving your site to increase its visibility. When people search for product or services related to your business in Google, Bing, other search and other search engines. What is mean by Bing, Google, and other search engines? Search engine is nothing but this Google, Bing, and other search engine like Baidu, Yandex. These are all very popular. Yahoo. These are all very popular search engine in the world. So many search engines is there in the world, but very popular search engine means here you can see like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and Yandex. Yandex means where you have to use the Yandex search engine. Russian country people are using this Yandex search engine. Baidu is Baidu. I will type here Baidu. Baidu. This is a search engine. So search engine. Yeah, this search engine used uh, Chinese Chinese people, like it's China country. They are using, these people are searching mainly using. They are not using in Google and other things and all. So mainly they are using this in this search engine that is called Baidu. Yandex search engine. Yandex. Okay. Yandex search engine. I already told that is recent people are using that search engine. Okay. So what is the, first of all, search engine I am telling So first of all we have to learn about a search engine. Okay, what is the search engine? How it is working? So that is a very important, right? So search engine is nothing but, so whatever we are searching here, queries, queries we can call that query. Query means keyword only. Now I asked what is search engine. No? What is search engine? Now what is search engine? Okay, search engine. When I enter the search engine, so that will that will give some information. Okay, so like you see, search engine, you will get a lot of information, right? So now you will see the image wise, that will easily you can understand. So reading the content, it takes time. So image wise, see, simply I am entered image wise, so that's why you can see image. If you enter image, that image wise you can see. So when I entered this image, yeah. So in this image, you can see like this is a Google, right? So if you are entering Google search result page, search result bar now, here if you are entering means the copies the information from that website. Okay, how it is working now? So when we are entering some information in Google, then Google has some algorithm. So that algorithm, or Google has a website robot is that was robot crawling to our website. Okay, so that's why here the figure, the image is showing like this, like the search engine, Google search engine now. Then Google has some crawler, that is website crawler. We can call it spider or Google robot, like that. The three things in my name: crawler, spider, robot. These three names are same only. So like they entered, then they reach to website. So then that website source reach, then what we'll do next? So next is like crawl the website. So the crawling will happen. Then what we'll do? Copies the information in website. So once it crawl now, so after that, they will do copy content from our websites only. So then store the information into their database. The Google has a very huge database. So that Google, very big database, they are saving it is saving our information to Google database only. So this database already saved, no? So how it is showing, no? Once you enter this keyboard, no? That is calculating that keyboards and all relevancy. What is SEO if we are typing, no? So SEO related keyboards and all we are calculating and matching, then retrieving the result. Retrieving is nothing but display the result from the database. That is only showing, like main three part is like any kind of search engine works, no? So this main three part is there. One is crowd, second one is index. That means index means save the data. So third one is retrieve the result. That is only, so three things: crawling, indexing, and showing the information. This result only. These three information mainly working. So that's what we are going to discuss these things and all. Okay. And now so search engine source I told you know. So what is SEO? That is also I explained. So that SEO, where it will come, what is the major part, major category, SEO, major category, like digital marketing it is, this is the keyword, digital marketing. Digital marketing is the main categories for SEO. So digital marketing under only this SEO, SEM, and see here the types of digital marketing now. So there under you can see 8 main categories and all. One is search engine optimization. Second one is pay per click. That is like CPC, Google Ads and all is that only. And social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, mobile marketing, and marketing analytics and affiliate marketing. So here they have given 8 types of marketing. So like YouTube marketing, video marketing also under digital marketing only. So digital marketing we can call as internet marketing, also called as online marketing. Okay. So under this, each one we have to discuss about, like search engine optimization. There are so search engine optimization. There are 3 type of search engine optimization is there. So on page optimization, like off page optimization, technical SEO, like that many things are there. So we can discuss about one by one. Okay, thanks.